Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a companion product to a salve I shared in September. We are making a creamy autumn grounding lotion. The big tie-in between this lotion and the salve is the essential oil blend, an intoxicating combination of dark patchouli, lavender, sweet vanilla-like benzoin, and just the tiniest amount of ylang. I'm really proud of this blend. It's very aromatic and complex. And I don't usually like ylang, but I really love just the note that it adds to this blend, just a touch of sweetness and intrigue. Our oil phase is fairly small at 15%, so this lotion absorbs into the skin quite quickly. The two main fats are olive oil and shea butter, and we do have olive oil in the partner salve as well, so there's another tie-in. And it's thickened up a bit with some stearic acid. I've used Ritamulse as our emulsifying wax for this lotion. It gives products a really interesting kind of powdery finish that's quite gorgeous, but if you don't have it, you can use a different complete emulsifying wax. Please make sure you are reading the blog post for details on that. Our water phase features some great humectants, both vegetable glycerin and sodium lactate, and some lovely soothing ingredients in the form of some panthenol, vitamin B5, and then there is also some calendula extract, which is in our cool down phase. If you've made lotion before, this will come together very easily for you. I'm loving the light, fast absorption and the gorgeous scent for fall. So come on, let's get started. We'll begin by combining the ingredients for our heated oil phase in a small heat-resistant glass measuring cup. This one holds 500 milliliters or about a pint. So you're going to need 3 grams of Ritamulse SCG complete emulsifying wax, 5 grams olive oil, 5 grams shea butter, and 2 grams stearic acid. And now for a heated water phase. So in this small heat-resistant glass measuring cup, I already have 70 grams of distilled water. To that, we're going to add 5 grams vegetable glycerin, 3 grams sodium lactate, and 3 grams panthenol. Up next, we are going to weigh our water phase so we can top it up later. The next step is heating everything through, so we're going to put both of our heated phases in a water bath. So this is a wide, flat-bottomed saute pan that has about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it. And I'm going to go put this on the stovetop over medium heat for about half an hour to heat everything through and melt everything in our oil phase. Once everything has heated through and melted, you can remove your water bath from the stove and remove your measuring cups from your water bath. Before we combine our two parts, we're just going to top off the water part, replacing the water lost to evaporation during the heating phase. So we're going to refer to the number that we wrote down earlier and top it off with some preheated distilled water. Now we're going to grab our immersion blender, pop that in there, and blend thoroughly. We're going to start with a few short bursts and work our way up to a full blend. All right, so that was about 4 minutes of blending. I'm going to leave this to cool for a wee while and then come back and blend it some more. All right, it has been about 5 minutes. You can see that that's already thickening up quite beautifully. But yeah, we're just going to give this another blending. All right, that was another 2 minutes or so of blending. It's still pretty warm, still going to thicken up a bit, so I'm going to leave it for a few more minutes. All right, it has been another 5 minutes. This has thickened up quite a lot and also cooled down. So we are going to give this another blending and then we'll be ready to weigh out our cool down phase. Now it's time to weigh out our cool down phase. So we will start with our essential oils. You'll need 0.2 grams of dark patchouli essential oil, half a gram of lavender essential oil, 0.3 grams benzoin resinoid, and 0.05 grams ylang essential oil. We'll also need 2 grams calendula extract, half a gram of liquid germall plus, and 0.4 grams of allantoin. Up next, I'm going to transfer a small amount of the lotion into our cool down phase, stir to thoroughly combine, and then blend that back into the master batch. Our last step is packaging the lotion, so I'm going to be using a 120 milliliter or 4 fluid ounce bottle with a pump top. Once the bottle is full, but you've left a bit of room at the top for the pump and the tube, you can cap your lid on. And there you go. You just made a beautiful creamy grounding autumn lotion that pairs perfectly with my creamy grounding autumn salve, which I shared here on YouTube and on my blog last month. So please remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to find this post on my blog on humblebeeandme.com, where you'll find everything written out, all the amounts in metric and in percent, so you can scale it to any size that you want, links to places to purchase all of the ingredients, information on substitutions, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.